Hello, awesome people. Welcome to another episode of Cross Country Camper. And if you're watching this, thank you for being here. We wanted to bring you with us to the Sierras for a quick look at some cross-country camper cooking. Hope you enjoy.
Guys, so we are cooking inside the Bull's Arrow, cooking breakfast for the first time ever in the Bull's Arrow for Justin and I. This is really the only cooking for like maybe 30 years. So welcome guys, we're making an American classic, Spam and eggs. So what we got going here, we got some Spam in a nice cast iron skillet. Over here we'll get, have some simple just hash browns buried in the fridge. I'll pull out soon once these are done, throw those on, and then I'll do a nice little scrambled eggs on top of it. It's pretty fun guys. Okay, so here are the hash browns guys. Some salt and pepper for this, excuse me. The cheesy eggs. Our grandpa Buffum loved Spam. And I don't eat it all the time, but when I can, Spam, it's great.
We had some good luck fishing for trout in the Sierras this summer. And we weren't the only ones catching fish.
Here we have the American bald eagle fishing at the Owens River.
We're gonna be cooking the trout in the al disco. This stainless steel beast could have been a medieval shield, but I digress. So here we have our 3 fresh trout. Well, we caught a couple yesterday, or actually I guess it was 1 yesterday, 2 today. And here we have our awesome fridge in the trailer where we keep everything. It's working out great, all run on solar right now. So we have our 3 clean fish, and we're going to cook them with some equal part flour and cornmeal. There's a little bit of salt and pepper in there, of course, and I'm gonna put some lemons inside. So let's start out. So we'll get all the fish set up, then I'm gonna be chopping up the lemons and then breading the fish. Let's rinse my lemons. And what we're gonna do is just make enough rounds to go in all 3 of these fish. Nice. I like to leave them pretty thick, make it generous so that a lot of juice goes inside. We're gonna be using the al disco method cooking trout. This is actually the first time I've ever cooked them this way. Usually I'll just fry them in a cast iron skillet on our stove here or put them in the oven. But this is like a little bit of an experiment, so hopefully this works out. I'm actually gonna wanna cut these in half. Now what I'm going to be doing is just setting them inside. Wow, and they actually fit perfectly. So it looks like 2 is going to fit within each one. So yeah, I definitely cut too many. Better safe than sorry. All right. So here we have our lemons inside the fish. And now we're just going to use the stickiness and natural of the fish itself to bread the fish. Little lemon popped out there, but that's nothing bad. It's just a happy mistake. So what we have here is a little bit of equal parts flour and cornmeal, and then it's mixed with some white truffle salt. Now you can use Lowry's seasoned salt as well if you'd like, which is also delicious. But today we are using some white truffle salt. Get a good breading on there. It's actually pretty amazing how much the skin of the fish holds this without adding any egg batter or milk or anything. Best part about this too is when you're camping, you don't have to deal with all that mess. All right, so we're ready to cook. So I got some butter here. I'm going to be tossing it on here. melted in there. Fry the fish in a little bit of butter. We also like to use a little bit of olive oil too. Right, so I got my butter and olive oil in there. I'm just gonna make a nice smooth surface of lipids over the top of the pan. Kind of gauge it as I go. Throw a little bit more butter. And we got a nice heat going right now where the butter isn't burning. So basically we're just going to be frying up this trout in the al disco till it gets nice and crisp. Serving it, eating it. So I've flipped them over here. We have a lot of wind here and it's very chilly right now, so just slow cooking these trout, but everything seems to be doing really well. Breading even is staying on the side for the most part. I mean, this is working out great. Yeah, I actually like this style of cleaning fish right here, where you leave the fish head and the tail on. Okay, yeah, so we're getting close to these being done. I can tell that they're crisping up. Yeah, these are pretty much done. Get that lemon back in there. All right, so these fish are ready to rock. So I'm gonna go inside and eat these. They're starting to flake, and that's how I can tell that the flesh is ready to eat. So here we have it. Beautiful fresh caught trout in the high Sierras, cooked on an al disco. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, we have links to our previous videos below. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more building, camping, and mountain bike riding videos. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and join our Facebook page if you like the content. And as always, thank you for watching.